To embroider Japanese stitch, start with one horizontal stitch. Make a stitch but do not pull all the thread to the back. Leave the loop opened and get the needle back to the surface under the stitch, like if you would be working stem stitch. Make a parallel stitch and again come back to the surface under the previous stitch. Repeat in this manner until all the stitching is done. The result looks similar to a satin stitch. The difference is that the shape is slanted and the stitching is usually made on counted threads fabric. This technique is mostly used in Kogin stitching. On the back side, stitching looks exactly as on the front side.